Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rafting tour operator business. Suppose as the owner of rafting tour operator business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to send rafting packages, book slots and check weather conditions. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rafting tour operator business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, "Can you please share me rafting details?" After typing, you will see I am getting a response. "Hey there, thrill seeker, welcome to Rapid Rush Rafting Tours, where the river calls and adventure begins." Now we have three options: rafting package, book slot, check weather. Simply click on rafting packages. After clicking, you will see I am getting our packages. Now we have check weather option. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting our weather updates. Now we have book slot. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting a response. Please provide full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response. Which date you want to go? Now I am entering date 28 June. After that, I am getting another response. Please provide number of people. Now I am entering 4. After that, now we have a response. Details: full name, test user, date, number of people. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see we are getting our last message. "Thanks for choosing Rapid Rush Rafting Tours." So you will see I am getting responses. Now simply go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, simply we will open our browser and type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp Number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your rafting tour operator business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we take media button and simply upload the image, which I already downloaded. And in this, we add text button and write a welcome message on it. And in this, we also add action button, rafting packages, book slot, check weather, and simply connect the flow. Now we take text button and simply write a message on it. When user press drafting packages, then we will send our this message. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. When user press check weather button, then we will send our this message. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user and select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. When user press book slot button, then we will send our this message. And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date from user and select the contact custom field, date, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a number of people from user and select the contact custom field, count, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. Details, name, date, number of people. And you will see I am using a dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? Dollar sign is used to customize or replace the data. Now simply connect this question box to this message box, and in this we also add confirm button. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it and simply connect this confirm button to this message box and save the flow. Now, if you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type hello. And you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly chat flow. Now, if you have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chat Flow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.